OpenAI has been crashed. That's not the question. The question is that the developers have also been crashed. In today's video, I will talk to you about DeepSeek 1, a new model that has created quite a stir in the world and has caused a significant drop in the shares of many companies since its arrival. For the last 2 days, there has been a lot of buzz in the world due to the arrival of DeepSeek, as it has led to a heavy decline in the shares of companies like Nvidia and OpenAI. The biggest question is that it has challenged OpenAI's own model. By challenging, I mean it has set many benchmarks that it has surpassed compared to OpenAI's models. It has beaten them in all benchmarks, which is why the shares of those companies have fallen so significantly. The most important thing is that this is the first open source model that has come on the side of OpenAI. I have clicked on DeepSeek and I will show you from the start how to do it. You need to search for Ulama, then click here. When you search for DeepSeek 1, you can use it according to your computer's configuration. If I open my task manager, I already have things running in it, like Google Chrome and my microscripting tool. You can see that the performance is at 2% for the applications. So let's get started. I am using 7 billion, and for that, I need 4.7 GB. So I will use a slightly lower version. My laptop can totally handle this, even more than 7 billion. You can see how high the version of DeepSeek is. I will show you it's 0.5 GB, and the highest is 4 GB, which is required. I have opened PowerPoint, and here you can see I have run DeepSeek 1.5 billion, and everything has been downloaded. It takes about 2 minutes to download, depending on your internet connectivity. This has been downloaded, and now I will send some messages to see what its speed is. I am using 5, and I will show you. First, you need to set up Ulama. If you don't have it, you can download it. It depends on your laptop's configuration. It takes a little time to set up for the first time, but it works. After that, it gives you results quite quickly. You can see its speed, and I can show you the speed here. The speed also depends on how fast your computer is. My computer is quite old. I am using a generation that is based on that, so it is running at a decent speed. The faster your computer, the better. It is telling me how to create an HTML ticket, giving detailed information on how you can create it. The speed is what it is. Guys, it is taking a little time to complete in 1 second because my laptop is slow. If you have a fast laptop, you can check it. My laptop is running at 3, so that's why the speed is a bit slow. In the other one, the speed was 3.12 seconds. You can see all the results that have been given. We checked both at 7 billion and 1.5 billion, and the results were the same. It doesn't give you that much detail. You have to prompt it repeatedly. I gave it a small prompt, and I didn't give it any specific command. It understood and provided the output. So guys, if you like the video and it will take time to complete, please subscribe to our channel TechLike and let us know why you like DeepSeek and why you like ChatGPT. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box, and to connect with our channel, you can also follow us on our tech Instagram and Facebook. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.